Hi guys, Scott here from Uncle Scott's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to season a carbon steel skillet in your oven. We'll take a shiny new carbon steel skillet that looks like this and make it look like this. Now this seasoning method works for any carbon steel skillet with an oven safe, i.e. non-coated handle, and will work for brand new pans or for maintenance seasonings down the road. For a brand new pan, if the pan ships with a protective coating, make sure you remove any coating before seasoning the pan. This Walrus pan, for example, the one I'm using in this video, had a very liquid oil coating that washed off with dish soap and hot water. It took about 2 minutes of washing. Now other brands may use beeswax or other coatings. Just make sure you remove those before you start. After washing a bare carbon steel skillet, make sure you dry it immediately and thoroughly to avoid any rust. Then preheat your oven to 460, 475. Don't go hotter than 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Then choose one of the following oils for your seasoning: vegetable, canola, grapeseed, or sunflower seed oil. Take 1/4 teaspoon of that oil, not very much oil at all, and with a wad of clean paper towels, wipe that oil all around the pan, including the bottom. Now if your pan's handle is bare carbon steel or a metal that will rust, you can also rub the oil on it too. For a handle such as a stainless steel handle or other handle that won't rust, there's no need to season it. Wipe the pan thoroughly with those paper towels, wipe that oil all around. Then take another wad of paper towels and wipe the entire pan again until it looks almost dry. There should be no streaks, runs, or obvious big droplets of oil. If you leave too much oil on the pan, it can end up feeling sticky, and you don't want that. So make sure you wipe it until it looks dry. Don't worry, there's still some oil on there. Now put your pan into that preheated oven for 1 hour, after which shut the oven off, but leave the door closed. Let the pan cool down in the oven, which can take a few hours. After which, remove your pan, and it should look something like this. Note how the carbon steel started out shiny and silvery, but took on this much color with just one round of seasoning. After your pan has cooled down, run your fingers across the surface of the pan. It should feel like cold, smooth, hard metal. If it feels tacky, plasticky, or sticky, the oil did not fully harden in, and you need to heat the pan up in your oven again and let that oil cure. This one is just fine, however, so let's check it out with the proverbial fried egg test. Now some people say to repeat this seasoning process another 5 times. That sounds crazy to me. I say it's better to season once, correctly of course, and then just start cooking. And here you see we've already got good color change and sliding eggs after just 1 round of seasoning. And the seasoning will continue to develop and come in over time. I think your time is better spent learning how to cook in carbon steel. And if something sticks along the way, you can always wash out your pan and do a touch-up seasoning down the road when necessary. Cook, cook, cook more and worry about your seasoning less. And that is how you season a carbon steel skillet using your oven. Look below for links to some carbon steel skillets and pans that I really enjoy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. And somewhere on this screen are links to other videos that you'll enjoy too. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time on Uncle Scott's Kitchen.